G'day folks. So sticking on the biodiversity theme from the last couple of videos, just thought I'd discuss a bit about biodiversity in New Zealand specifically. So New Zealand, Aotearoa, is recognised as one of the Earth's biodiversity hotspots. And it's not because we have a massive abundance of different species, but it is more because what we have here is so unique. Because we're so isolated, like our nearest neighbour, Australia, is over 1,500 kilometres away. Because we're so isolated, the plants and animals and other organisms that were naturally found here were so unique. Like our vascular plants, so things like the flowering plants and our podocarps and ferns, I think it's over 80% of those species are found nowhere else on Earth. So they're endemic to New Zealand, which means they're found nowhere else other than New Zealand. And it's a similar story really for our fauna, birds. I think our lizards are all endemic to New Zealand, so they're found nowhere else. Frogs are found nowhere else. Our bats are found nowhere else in the world. So all these different components to our native biodiversity are just very unique to New Zealand and found nowhere else in the planet. We also have a bunch of features that are quite unusual, like our abundance of podocarps in our forests. That's a very unusual feature. We have a lot of species, what's called island dwarfism and island gigantism. So we have a lot of species that are very large, a lot of plant species that are very large for what you'd expect from that genus or genera, and a lot of plant species that are very small for what you'd expect. And because we have such unique species, they combine to make very unique ecosystems. And so everything about our nature here in New Zealand is just very unique, and that is why it's recognised as one of Earth's biodiversity hotspots.